Welcome to our video where we explore 15 must-have kitchen gadgets that are taking Amazon by storm. These tools are designed to make your cooking experience faster, easier, and more enjoyable. Don't forget to check the product links in the description below to grab yours today and elevate your kitchen game. Pots and pans. Set starting with the Ninja Pots and Pans set. This non-stick cookware is perfect for effortless cooking and easy cleanup. Designed for extended durability, this set is a must-have for every modern kitchen. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a beginner, it offers excellent heat distribution and long-lasting performance. Grab yours now, link in the description. Cold coffee maker for coffee lovers. The Ovalware airtight cold brew iced coffee maker is a game changer. With its precision sealed design, you can brew smooth, rich coffee at home. Say goodbye to expensive cafe runs and enjoy your favorite cold brew anytime. Product link in the description. Caddy Spice Rack. Keep your kitchen organized with the Prep Deck Chef Caddy Spice Rack. This innovative seasoning and oil organizer saves time and declutters your workspace. With everything neatly arranged, meal prep becomes a breeze. Check it out via the link in the description. Cookie Cutters Set. Baking enthusiasts will love the round cookie cutter set. Featuring 5 different sizes, this stainless steel set is ideal for cookies, pastries, and more. Create bakery-style treats right in your kitchen. The product link is in the description below. Food dehydrator. Preserve fruits, vegetables, and meats effortlessly with the Septree 6 trays. Food dehydrator. Its 500W stainless steel build ensures efficient dehydration while maintaining nutrients. Perfect for creating healthy snacks like dried fruits and jerky. Grab yours through the link in the description. Egg holder. Organize your fridge like a pro with the Vacane 24 capacity egg holder. Its transparent design lets you see your eggs at a glance while keeping them fresh and safe. It's a small upgrade that makes a big difference. Link in the description. Dinnerware set. Add elegance to your dining experience with the Vancaso Bonita Blue Dinnerware set. This vibrant collection features plates and bowls that are durable, stylish, and perfect for any occasion. Get your set today. Link in the description. Vegetable chopper. Cut your prep time in half with the Vegetable Chopper Mandoline Slicer. It comes with multiple blades to slice, dice, and julienne vegetables effortlessly. A must-have for efficient meal preparation. Find it in the description below. Silicone coasters. Protect your surfaces in style with the Silicone Coasters set of 8. These coasters are heat resistant, non-slip, and come with a sleek holder for easy storage. Perfect for hot and cold beverages alike. Product link in the description. Olive oil dispenser. The Dwelza Kitchen olive oil dispenser bottle ensures precise pouring and no mess. Its elegant design is perfect for the countertop, while its functionality makes cooking easier and more enjoyable. Link to buy is in the description below. Pie server set. Elevate your dessert game with the 3 pieces pie server set. These stainless steel servers are ideal for slicing and serving pies, cakes, and tarts with precision. Perfect for parties or family dinners. Link in the description. Manual food chopper. Simplify chopping with the Briefton's Express manual food chopper. Its 6.8 cup capacity is perfect for preparing everything from salads to salsas. Say goodbye to messy prep and hello to efficiency. Check out the description for the product link. meat grinder. For versatile kitchen tasks, the electric food processor. Meat grinder is a powerhouse. With 800 W of power and dual 12-cup bowls, it tackles chopping, grinding, and more with ease. Link to grab yours is in the description. Electric orange juicer. Enjoy fresh citrus juice every morning with the Eurolux Premium Electric Orange Juicer. Its stainless steel design combines durability and efficiency, making juicing a breeze. Product link is in the description. Knife set finally. The Hoshinho 3-pieces knife set offers professional grade performance. These Japanese AUS knives are razor sharp and perfect for precision cutting, a must-have for every home chef. Find it through the link in the description below, and there you have it. 15 incredible Amazon kitchen gadgets that are a hit with everyone. Be sure to check out the product links in the description to bring these must-haves into your kitchen. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Happy cooking, and see you in the next video.